Hello. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video we will learn about if, else and elif control flow structures. An if or elif expression evaluates a series of, or rather statement, if elif statement evaluates a series of expressions to a boolean. Now booleans, there are two booleans in Python. One is called false and another is called true, capital T and capital F. There are certain constants which are defined to be false. The two are none and false in words, and zeros of all numeric types. So integer 0, float 0.0, complex number 0, j plus real part also 0, decimal 0 and fraction 0, 1. Empty sequences and collections like a string, a tuple, list, dictionary, set and range are also false. This is also true for frozen set and other sequences and collections, and everything else is true. So in this program we take an input, put that in x. If x is less than 0, of course we convert it to integer. If it is less than 0, we make it 0 and we print the statement. If it is equal to 0, we print 0. If it is equal to 1, we print single or more. Then we get another integer y and we print the same statement again for x. Then here we have AND gate. This is a logical gate. If both are 5, we print both are 5. Or if both are greater than 0, or sorry, one of them greater than 0, this is OR gate, then both are positive or both are negative. Now this is a short circuit evaluation for AND. So once one of the statements will be false, AND will terminate, and OR is same way. If any of the statements is true, they'll terminate. Let's see a run. I'm activating my virtual environment. So you see that since x is 0 and y is also 0, which are not greater, the last statement turns out to be both are negative. Both are not really negative actually. It is wrong output in terms of printing it. Now as you say x is 5, it prints more twice and both are 5. So you can try with various inputs and see how various combination of if else works. Also that if else can be nested, as I can show you. Now it is better. Now it is a better program, so I have nested y test condition inside x, which is equivalent. So you see that the nested if getting executed, so you can nest quite a bit. A lot of nesting is not good. 3-4 levels is maximum we should go for. Under extreme circumstances or justified, you can go for more, but not more than that. So I'll stop here. In my next video I'll continue with for loop. These are very basics of Python, and since Python is very easy language, you will learn it quite fast. So no need to worry. Slowly it will all become clear. By the way, since we have started if else, I must tell you that this code must be indented. Python's blocks are indented always. There is no brace to separate out the scope of a block. So that is extra piece of information I'll give you. This can be 2 spaces or 4 or 8. So if I bring it here, this is inside the outer if scope. It is a syntax error, you can see here. If I run fly check mode, you'll see that it causes an error, invalid syntax. Now it won't say that. Thanks a lot for watching the video. If you have liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.